expect 2 Nokia phones by the end of the year at OMG Global. These are Nokia 2 and Nokia 9. But most Nokia fans are waiting for the arrival of the rumored Nokia 9 flagship phone. There are mixed rumors about the arrival of the smartphone. Some sources claim that it will be unveiled before the end of this year. However, there are some other sources that claim that it will be unveiled during the Mobile World Congress 2018 that is scheduled to take place next year in February. Upcoming Phones, that is known for creating concept renders of forthcoming smartphones, has also created a concept model of the unannounced Nokia 9 Edge phone. The design of the phone revealed through the new renders suggests that it is a better-looking version of Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Featuring a 5.5-inch curved display panel and a full-screen design, the Nokia 9 Edge boasts a sleek and premium appeal. The rear side of the phone is fitted with a pair of 16-megapixel sensors that are arranged vertically along with a dual LED flash. An interesting feature that can be seen on the back panel of the Nokia 9 Edge is the presence of an infrared projector that is capable of mirroring the display of the phone. The fingerprint scanner is also found on the back side of the concept phone. It is equipped with health sensors. For shooting selfies, it features an 8-megapixel selfie camera. There is no information about the chipset that drives the Nokia 9 concept phone. However, Upcoming Phone states that it will be coming in 2 models. The base model has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and the advanced model has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Anyway guys, we're not responsible or guarantee that the information on this video is 100% accurate.